थोड़ा बताइए हुआ।
The deadly terror attack in Kashmir's Pahalgam that killed 26 people, mostly tourists, has sparked global outrage. Leaders from across the world have condemned the attack and extended their support to India.
थोड़ा बताइए हुआ।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was in Saudi Arabia at the time, cut his visit short. Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman expressed his anguish and offered support in this time of grief. Prime Minister condemned the attack, calling it a heinous act and vowed justice for the victims. He said that our resolve to fight terrorism is unshakable. Gunfire shattered the tranquility of Baisaran Valley in Pahalgam, a place known more for pine trails than terror. A group of terrorists opened indiscriminate fire, killing 26 and injuring many others. Most of the victims were tourists. The attackers, believed to be members of the Resistance Front, an offshoot of Lashkar-e-Toiba, vanished back into the woods moments after the carnage. Leaders across continents, from Washington and Moscow to Riyadh and London, have spoken in one voice, calling it a brutal crime and pledging support to India. US President Donald Trump called the incident deeply disturbing and affirmed that the United States stands with India in its fight against terror. The United States Vice President J.D. Vance, who is currently in India, expressed his condolences, calling the attack devastating. Russian President Vladimir Putin also issued a strong statement, calling the crime brutal and unjustifiable, while pledging deeper anti-terror cooperation with India. Even war-torn Ukraine weighed in, saying it understands the pain of terrorism all too well and that the perpetrators must be held accountable. Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, Israeli Foreign Minister Gideon Sa'ar, and the governments of Iran, UAE, and Sri Lanka all issued strong condemnations. Israel and UAE reaffirmed their solidarity with India, while Sri Lanka reiterated its unwavering commitment to regional peace. As global leaders stand with India, the message is loud and clear. Terrorism has no place in civilized society. The world mourns the victims of Pahalgam, but it also unites to ensure justice is served.
थोड़ा बताइए हुआ।